Wozani ubusi Mhlanga lo Queen of Abenguni igidela mphakathi umagqize engagqize qhakala, inviting you from Zilikazi Day in Bradford. I'll put the flyer, you check the flyer ukuthi i-postcode, i-address and everything. Queen of Abenguni uzobe khona, uMamhlanga, uMagasela, Sibale Nkosi, intini yamakhosi, umabuya ngokubuya eSwatini, uMavuso. Hey guys, wozani sizohanalisela inkosi yethu uMzilikazi. Ngibonile ukuthi kade kunjani kwaBulawayo eMhlahlandlela. So wozani sizoyenza njalo lathi lapha eUnited Kingdom. Siyabonga. I saw you,